Righto team, welcome back to the channel on the Beetle. So today I'm going to be stripping the rear off this pan and stripping some of the front down. So yeah, I've ordered myself a new front beam for this, and also I've ordered some adjustable spring plates for the rear. So we should be able to get some pretty good drop on this thing, and yeah, we should be able to get this thing pretty low and it'll be fully adjustable, so it'll be pretty cool. But for now, let's start tearing this thing down. Let's get into it. Yeah, so I think I've got this all disconnected, so let's try and jimmy this thing out and lift her out. I think it's good to go. Let's go. Bring it out slowly. Well guys, there you go. It's the transaxle all out. That's a pretty easy sort of job. I've got to get some. I've got to get a socket to get that, get those big suckers off. But as you can see, there's still heaps of old grime and red dirt and whatnot on there that I'm gonna have to clean off. But that's probably going to be getting sandblasted anyway, so I don't have to worry about that. But for now, I'm gonna have to crack on and get all this sort of stuff out, e-brake cables, and all that. I'm leaving these original spring plates on. Obviously I'll take these end caps off and get those all cleaned up. Probably get some shiny new stuff to make it for a bit of bling. Or I'll just clean them up and use the original ones for the old bolts I'm talking about. But, so yeah, the plates are the adjustable plates I've got coming from Fresh Customs. Shout out to Fresh Customs. George down there in Melbourne, Victoria, he sells some great little setup, all the suspension components he does for Type 1, Type 3 and Type 2. So I've got some Type 1 adjustable plates coming from him, so that should be pretty cool. You literally use your stock plate, and so you keep that geometry there, and his really just uses your adjustment from the swing axle itself, which is a pretty cool setup. I quite like that. So there's a bit of modifying. You cut the plate down, and it looks like you sort of add a couple of holes where it goes on there, but I'll show you guys that in the next few videos when I get that stuff, hopefully in the next few weeks. But yeah, for now, let's keep cracking on. Right, so this is where we're up to. We've got the right hand front hub off, trailing arms and king and link pin carrier off. And as you can see, it is dirty, but it doesn't matter, it's all going. But we'll be using those and re-cleaning those up and making those look brand new again. Yeah, so as you can see, I've got some cleaning to do. But we'll make these things look brand new again. And ditch that horrible old front beam. Rightio team. So here's the update. Where we're at. We've made a bit of a mess. It's a messy old gig stripping down this stuff. But we're nearly there. That's all done. I've just got to pull out those spring packs. I'm stripping off the axle tubes and getting that ready to clean up and get a new seal kit. and I'll spruce it up and get some paint on it, and I'll do the same with the axle tubes. Which I've got one side off, so just degrease, scrape, clean those up, and I'll get those satin black and make those look pretty for the new beam that we have coming. So yeah, we've ordered ourselves a front beam for the Beetle, and we've gone with a 6-inch beam, and it's from a guy down in Melbourne, Victoria. His name's Ross, and he goes by Skin Knuckles, his business, and he makes some awesome stuff. So massive shout out to Ross. Awesome communication, so helpful, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to his product he's going to send up in the coming weeks. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to show you guys that, and people out there that probably already got a Skin Knuckles beam, they'll know how good they are. So if you're in Australia and you want yourself a front beam, hit up Ross at Skin Knuckles down there in Melbourne. Hit him up, and yeah, let him know what you're after. But for now, let's keep cracking on with this. Strip that axle beam off, that real axle tube, should I say, and get those cleaned up. And I've got my tie rod arms there, so I'm going to tidy those up. Oh, they're going to be shortened anyway for when I get the beam. Those, I've got a new steering box. I mean, just one that's in better condition. That bloody thing that's come off this thing, it's just caked in just crap. Like, it's just unbelievable. All those rear backing plates, I'll get those sandblasted and get some satin black on them. Everything will just be satin blacked, so it's all uniform, looks really nice and tidy.